we are back. We have our volcano. It's all dried and ready to erupt. So first, Marley is going to take the baking soda and you're going to use the scoop to do 4 scoops. So can you count 4 scoops and put it inside inside the volcano here?
1. Everybody, you count 2.
Okay, you guys count 2. 1. Make sure you fill it up and then tap it in there. 2. You didn't get it all in there.
3. 1 more.
1 more.
4.
4. Fabulous.
Did you guys count 2?
Now, how many scoops of citric acid? Marley, what does that say? What number is that?
I think we're going to do that.
This is the citric acid, and we need 2 scoops. So pour the 2 scoops of citric acid in here. Make sure it's a full scoop. 1.
Count. 2.
Perfect.
Thank you, guys.
Great counting. Now, I'm going to take the camera.
You do the water.
You don't want to do the water?
Okay, I will try.
All right, take the water and let's see what happens.
Okay, explode.
Pour it in, keep pouring. Keep going, keep going. Woo!
I don't know, why is it not exploding to red?
That's a good question. I wonder why it's not exploding to red. Why do you think?
Maybe because we had to sit it to move. It says red. Red will explode, it will get bubbles.
Ready?
It's exploding.
It's erupting.
Woohoo! Look at
Pour the water in. And what is happening?
See you guys, it's bubble and it's exploding.
It's called eruption. What's coming out? What is that orange stuff supposed to be?
It's supposed to be red, but on the picture it just says red, but we need orange and a little bit of red because we...
Do you know what that's called? This stuff?
No.
It is called lava.
Lava, that's what I just said. Lava.